Today's giveaway is probably the smallest brand represented on the entire giveaway with Caswell boots. So Caswell donated $5,000 worth of their boots to us. And if you don't know, Caswell's ran by one dude. He contracts out, obviously, a factory to make them, but it's one dude running Caswell, and he's a solid dude, goes around the entire world collecting the best leathers. That's why the Sick Latigo boot is one of my favorite boots made by a small brand. They're giving away $5,000 worth of stuff to you guys. So sign up with the 3 ways with the regular sign up form, the links in the description. Bottom of that form is your second chance giveaway, and the third is your Instagram repost giveaway. Just repost, tag us, and enters you to win a pair of Caswells. Huge shout out to Caswell. Osaga unboxing. This is a pretty unique little story. And we'll tell the whole story when we cut one of these in half, but this is an old brand that they've been trying to revitalize. It's a family-owned brand. And I believe they used to be like running shoes, and they were a player in the running industry. And then they kind of like maybe slowed down, died off a little bit, but now they're trying to bring it back. Old school technology, like old school patterning, old school running shoes for like the modern era. Yeah, so it's cool. It's a cool concept. So let's check out their site and see what's what. Cause like I like kind of going in blind with a little bit of some of these Rose Anvil 2s, cause you get to learn along with me. As a new generation relaunches a family brand, the Osaga team has worked diligently to reconstruct a classic shoe designed for the modern world. A pioneer in performance shoes, Osaga was founded in the early 1970s as an early pioneer in high-performance athletic shoes. Reimagined by the next generation of original founders, Osaga designs high-quality retro shoes for your entire family. Inspired by our past, excited for the future. Osaga, shoes for the human race. My Osagas keep me moving. I don't need a famous athlete. Yikes. I don't need a famous athlete to tell me my shoes will last longer and my feet will feel better. My Osagas wear longer on the street than any other running shoe, and on the streets is where I run. Every morning, my Osagas keep me moving because they wear longer and my feet feel better. Try a pair for yourself. You know, marketing is a little bit redundant back in the 70s. It's like, these are durable, and these are durable. It's kind of funny. Okay, rebuilding the iconic KT26, enhancing the traditional shoe design through modern technology results in elevated performance and unparalleled comfort. What we have for notes is Osaga was a notable athletic footwear brand in the 1970s that's been revitalized by Ben and Alex Brink, who are brothers and the grandsons of the founder, Bill Combs. Their initiative aims to honor Osaga's legacy while introducing its heritage to a new generation. Okay, let's unbox it. What knife? It's a little Demco. I like these knives. I like this little action. It's like a little fidget kind of feeling. It's this little bar right here. You just slide that down and it locks in. There's no like little thumb lock right here. Makes it really easy to flick out. These are cool. I think Demco is actually gonna be in the giveaway, the big 1 million subscriber giveaway, which maybe it's going on right now. Maybe it's already over. I'm not sure when this is coming out. But shout out to Demco, hooking us up with some knives. They're nice too. They're nice knives. Nice knives. Weston and Jared, looking forward to working with you and the Rose Anvil team. Hope you enjoy these. Hope you enjoy your Osagas. That's a cool looking box. Like a craft brown. Very retro. Whoa. Those are so bright. Look at this sole. That is a chunky. Look at the lugs on that thing. Whoa, look at the profile of it too. Gotta cover my face so it focuses. Isn't that crazy? Can you see like how it's like kind of like dished out? Huh. Wild. Got a couple layers of foam, looks like. Comes with a straw. Nope, it's not a straw. These are cool, very retro. Like a pretty nice insole. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, this, I can see some of the old retro, like running shoe stuff in here, because the lasting board is really, see how narrow it gets? It gets really narrow through like this section here, over here, rather than being super wide. So as you tie them down, it's gonna cinch around your foot rather than being flat and then cinching. It's like a smaller, you know what I'm saying? It cinches around your foot more. Looks like a real leather too. Nice, these are cool. Okay, now for the green box. Those are nice. Oh, that's a really weird outsole too. These feel and look like old shoes. Like the tech feels like really old and very function and like very obvious. Like what would like it's just like they need more traction, bigger lugs. We need more squish, more foam. We need more cinching, tighter waist. You know, it's like it's kind of a cool reimagining of a true retro sneaker. Cause look at that outsole. That thing is weird. That's like it's really unique. Pretty thin and very soft. So these are the two models. Because this is the KT or the 80, the Osaga 80 at 135, and this is the KT26, the one that was really popular, at 115. Yeah, those are nice. I think I like this one more. I like the OG KT26. They are very like retro, very old school. These are all of our handmade wallets that we sew right here in the shop, cut out right here in the shop, and we don't use sewing machines. We do it the old school way with the saddle sewing technique that they use to make saddles instead of the sewing machine. It's one piece of thread, 2 needles, and weaving in and out of the thread all the various colors from tan, light brown, medium brown, dark brown, and black, but more importantly, the various wallets. So starting with the smallest and the first, the one that really launched the brand on Kickstarter, the Claude wallet, 2 pockets, 1 shorter pocket and a bigger pocket behind with the rolled edge so you can hold more cards. Same thing with the slim wallet, it's just a redesign of this. Same concept, 2 pockets, rolled edge for the bigger pocket. Then the Big Daddy version of the slim, the SBB, that we actually made this pattern for the shattered backboard cut in half way early in the YouTube days. But it has 2 card pockets in the front and that bigger cash pocket with the rolled edge. Then to the Swayze, the one I use probably most every single day. So it's got 4 card pockets so you can really partition off and separate your cards. And if that's not enough card room and you want a little cash room, you can go to the Togo. 2 big pockets where you can store cash folded once and 4 card pockets. If you're old school and you want the traditional bifold, same concept here, but you've got 6 cash pockets with these little hidden pockets back here and that cash slot there, traditional bifold. And the biggest daddy of them all, the travel wallet, a little spot for your boarding pass and your passport, your ID, all your credit cards, all the junk that you're gonna accumulate on the trip, even this little hidden pocket right there. So check these all out below. I was like, man, it's so easy to flick these Dimco knives open. Spoiler alert. Small box. Size 6 in men's. Like Brody would be getting a pair of Osagas. Okay, let's see what's these. Let's see what's these. I like the branding too. Okay, so it's just another one of those. Probably just different size. I'm gonna wear one of these. I like these because they're kind of like dad's shoe, kind of running shoe, kind of retro. Like I think I would not have any problems wearing that. I like the baby blue color too. I think this color is my favorite. So what are these then? Actually, those look good. I like these too. They look like they're made out of good materials because that looks like a pigskin lining on these. Yeah, that's definitely pigskin. Because I can see the pore pattern. It's like a lot more spaced out and more like coarse looking, because that's how pig's fur is. More sparse and coarser. I'm trying to get Stridewise to let me go murder the pigs for him. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, he did that pig leather with, oh my gosh, what's the tannery called? It's a small tannery. It's got a funny name. I can't remember. And he wants to cull the pigs, C-U-L-L, cull the pigs, and then make some boots and some bags out of it. And I'm like, you know, I hunt, so you could just let me do the pig hunt for you and maybe do like a helicopter pig hunt. Might be a dream come true for me. So pressure Stridewise into letting me go murder the pigs. Get it off his conscience, you know, put it on me. I'll do the murdering. He's Australian anyway, he don't even have guns. He's like, I don't even know if he can operate a gun in the US. Is it legal for him to even touch a gun? Some people are gonna have an issue with it, but I'm like, I also bear hunt. That's more intense. Fight with me about that. Fight with me about bear hunting, not pig hunting. Pigs are pigs. Look at these. So, how do I rank these? I'd go 1, 2, 3. And I like this pattern more, like this Osaga KT26. Oh, and it has like a little heel. The heel counter goes all the way down. So you got like that leather, that pigskin leather at that high wear spot for the counter. These are cool. I'm pleasantly surprised with these. Like, because they seem like they're good quality. They're really, really unique, really original and distinct and like truly retro. Like, so the thing I like about that is, in theory, you'll be able to feel basically what it felt like to run in shoes from the 70s. Because they look basically unchanged. Okay, what size is this one? 10.5. That's my size for most sneakers. I'm a 10 on the Brannock. So let's try these Osagas. Oh yeah, those are squishy. Also, this shirt is so funny. Feels so good. Is the brand. Let's try it on the other pair, see which one feels better. They're narrow though, you know, it's a narrow old school kind of sneaker feel. These are cool, I like these. But I still like the baby blue ones more. Let me get this down, I'll show you. Very squishy too. These look better with my current fit. Green on green. But I still like these ones more. I like the KT26s. Very squishy. They don't feel like they have that big of a heel either, to be honest, because the heel squishes a good amount. Yeah, these are sick. I like these, but these are the ones I'm gonna keep because I like these a lot. Okay, that's pretty fun unboxing. So huge shout out to Osaga for sending these in, and thanks to you guys for watching these videos, giving these guys a shot, looking at some of these new brands that are up and coming, or old school brands that are revitalizing who they were, trying to make it like the old school way, doing things how they used to do it. And it seems like that's what Osaga is actually doing, because this feels like an old school running shoe. It has the materials that are premium. It's not just like fake synthetics like you see in all the big brands. And it's, yeah, they're just really unique. So check these out below, and thank you guys for your support. Let me know what else you guys, oh, did I tell you sizing? Yeah, 10.5 works for me. So it's just my regular sneaker size. So I'd buy your regular sneaker size. So thank you guys, see ya. Witchy. I like witchy girls anyway. So maybe I'll attract a witchy girl with that shirt.